Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Recon Wildlands infinite loading screen. Basically, if you're stuck on splash screen, I'll help you fix it. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I'd recommend is basically open up your Steam right over here, click on Library, find your game, right click on it, go to Properties, Installed Files on the left panel right over here, and go to verify these games are installed correctly and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. What it's going to do, it's basically going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might cause the issue with stuck on splash screen. So basically you wait for it to finish, and this is what it should look like. Successfully validated, close out of this window, and relaunch your game. If the game still persists to get the issue, go ahead and right click on your game once more, go to Properties, and this time on the left panel, we'll just go ahead and click on General right over here, and on Launch Options, basically type in -DX11. Most of the game will your game will launch with DX11 and it will force to have it. Just go ahead and type that in, and once done, close this window once more and relaunch your game. A third option is basically without the Steam right over here, it could be the sync issue with the servers and your internet. So basically, minimize this window, right click on your router over here or either Wi-Fi, click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Right over here, this should pop up, click on Change Adapter Options. Over here, right click either your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and basically click on Disable and wait for it to finish until a bit or a minute, then re-enable it by right clicking on it and then re-enabling it. Basically, this is what it should look like. Once done, go ahead and close this out. Close everything from the Steam right over here, right click on Steam and exit Steam to make sure everything Steam related or Ghost Recon is fully closed out. Right click on the taskbar, click on Task Measure, scroll down until you see any Steam related or Ghost Recon on your game related over here, and if you do see find one, right click on it and add tasks. Once done, relaunch your game and it should be fixed. Now once more, if the problem still persists, click on your Steam again once more, wait for it to pop up. Once your Steam is opened up, go back to your library. Basically, what we are going to do is find the executable file application for your Ghost Recon. Basically, click on your game, right click on it specifically, hover up to manage, and browse local files. Right over here, find your executable file for Ghost Recon. And by the way, it should be on the type of application, not text document. To confirm it, just go ahead and right click on it, click on Properties, Compatibility, and make sure to run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Make sure to click on those, make sure it is checked out, click apply and then OK. Once done, what I'd recommend is basically opening up the game from the folder itself. Basically double click on it and it should be fixed. Now I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.